Hey, what's going on, guys? Challenge Bros here, and we're gonna see if I can. It's gonna be a challenge to see if I can beat my own record on Subway Surfers. So it's actually a challenge on the game. So I'll actually get a reward if I complete it. I'll be making probably a real life video today. If you guys remember Jaden in previous videos on my channel, he will probably be in it. If you look on the right corner, well, not the complete right corner, but with the little blue guy, that is my high score. Oh, letter. I'll only attempt this 3 times. No, crap, there's a silver and gold chest on top of that roof. I'm disappointed. Oh yeah, and if you guys are liking the gaming videos or not, just leave that like button, or if you don't, comment and say what you want to see instead. Oh yeah, also in the comments leave what your high score is on this game. It's a really fun game. You don't need internet to play it. If you haven't played it, you should try if you haven't played it, which yeah, a lot of people have played it. You can play with your friends if you want. If you have Facebook, you can play with your friends. So like you can challenge your friends to see who can get the higher score. No! I suck, apparently. This is why I don't talk and play. Actually, I'm only going to do it 2 times so I can make like an intro and an outro. Save time. Oh yeah, and how I record all of my gaming videos, try DU screen recorder. It is a very good screen recorder, and you can edit videos and stuff. Okay, well, I guess that's the video. Okay, well, I guess leave a like, comment down below what you want to see, subscribe, see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys.